All right, real quick before we go, let's just recap. We know this is going to be, it's 30, which means we have, so x is the longer side, so we have root 3 over 2, 1/2. We've got 45 here, that cuts it in half, right here. 45. These are the same because it's a isosceles triangle, root 2 over 2, root 2 over 2. And the last one, 60 degrees. It's just that 30 just switched. 1/2 root 3 over 2. And then we know here is going to be 1, 0. This one's going to be 0, 1. That's the easy part. Now comes for this part when I was talking about, oh, we have positive here, negative positive here. Actually, I should do that. We have negative positive here. They're both negative here. And here it is positive, negative. What I mean by that is, if you notice, these lines that I drew, they're all radii. Some people might say radiuses. No, that's very, very wrong. I think that might be somebody's name too. I don't like that name. But let's just continue them. Let's see. Oh, what do we have here? Look at that. That's a diameter. So is this. And look, so is this. And what's happening is we're actually drawing triangles that are the same exact size. So this is one triangle here. That's the third one. That's the last one. You can see the y is much longer than the x. But then look, isn't that triangle the same one as this? Which means it's going to have the same values here. So then I can write, oh, 1/2 root 3 over 2. Because again, in this one up here, the x was short, the y was long. Here, you see the same thing. The y is long, the x is short. So it's the same exact value here. Now we got to take this into consideration. You'll see that in this quadrant, everything is negative. So we need to make sure that we have a negative here, negative here. Same thing with this. So it's the same exact triangle, equal sides, x and y are equal. So I can write that again here. I can say this is going to be root 2 over 2, root 2 over 2. But now they're both negative because they're in the third quadrant. Yeah. If you get smart enough, you can just start calculating how much pizza you eat every time you have, don't say Papa John's. What's the other one? Paisanos. That's a good one. So this one is the same size as this one here, which means x is small, y is big. Sorry, other way around. X is big, y is small. X is the long side, y is the smaller side. Dominus is disgusting. -1 point. It's going to be 1/2 and then square root of 3 over 2. But they're in this quadrant, so they're both negative. You know what? Costco does have good pizza. They have good pizza and sausages. But now, the other two quadrants, what if I draw that, and I'll draw that, and then this one? Well, if you notice, they're just reflections. They're reflections of this. This is the same as this. This is the same as this. This is the same as this over here. So again, we have the same exact sizes. So root 3 over 2, it's the long side. And then we have root 2 over 2. And this one's going to be, this one here is going to be 1/2 root 3 over 2. The only difference is now, if you notice, because of this, x is negative up here. So all your x's are just going to be negative. Negative here, negative here, negative here. California Pizza Kitchen it's okay, but it's not worth the price. Continue down here. Have that, and then the last one here. So it's the same exact measurements again. Here, the y is longer, so it'll be 1/2 √3/2. And then this is the same thing, √2/2, √2/2. Last one here is x is longer, so it's √3/2, 1/2. Now here it tells us, oh, the y's are negative because it's in the fourth quadrant. So negative, 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 that's it. Let's say this is 135 degrees. What is cosine of 135? Well, I know that my angles always has to be with the x-axis here. So I'll do 180 minus 135. That gives me 45. So I care about my 45-degree angle here. So again, if we reflect it 45 degrees here, this and this will be the same exact measurement. So it'll be √2/2, √2/2, except now we know that this is negative over here. So negative √2/2 over or plus, like that. There we go. And so that's just, if you get questions like this, you have to do that.